3, 2.
Whoa! This hurts my ears. Whoa! Mom. I'm scared. At least I'm getting this all on video. I'm scared. Can you plug my ears?
No, just ignore it.
Can you plug my other ear?
No, I'm not plugging anything.
Whoa. Oh no.
I can't wait to get any pictures of processes.
I'm videoing. Whoa. I'm going to catch that on video.
No, I'm sure they quite cleared it out.
Whoa.
Okay, what's the point of bringing him here?
Whoa. I'm trying to catch them all. Wow.
Bryson, why are you acting so scared? I thought you were a ninja.
He is.
He's just
scared. At least I'm taking a long video. But mine might die on me. Hopefully it doesn't. Still have 1 images left. I think I have enough to get the whole thing on video. Is that it? Mom, I think this is pretty much better than anyone in there though. For the fireworks, Mom. Wow. Mom, what's the date? Today. Oh. May 20th?
May 25th.
Oh no, the phone. Sit.
They didn't set off any fire lines.
Anyway.
No car lines went off.
Mom, what's the date today?
You ready, baby?
What's the date?
May 25th.
This is May 25th. Friday, May 25th, 2012. Goodbye.